good at catching footballs? Oh, sorry, I didn't look at you. You good at catching footballs? Good at catching footballs, you weirdo. I mean, next time. Chill, man. I just met you. I'll be quarterback. You miss the ball, you get out of here. I throw it to you fine. You miss it, get out of here, boy. You gotta get out of here. Hey, sir.
Cowboys. Go, Cowboys.
Hey! Hey! Sorry, I missed it.
My name is Chelsea.
You can catch it. Got some tricks up my sleeve. Yeah! Sorry about that. FBI, open up!